Hi there, and welcome back. Today, I'm gonna show you some stuff I did a few days, weeks, I don't know when this video is coming out, ago. I played various instruments at a musical show in my hometown, and want to take you with me behind the scenes, sort of. Explain how the show runs, what I do when playing, and so on and so forth. Before we jump in, please consider subscribing, liking, commenting if you have any questions regarding the gear I use or what we did, and so on and so forth. Just leave them down in the comments below. So here we go. So today's probably the last day I have time to rehearse for the musical, because today it's Wednesday and I'm leaving on Sunday and I've other stuff to do. So I thought I'll show you my setup in my studio, because I might not have time in the venue to do so. So the main feature why I'm actually booked is my lovely bass. My Ibanez 8AK Sirius bass. I have for years. I really like because the pickup sounds really nice and versatile with the switch and active EQ. It's really nice and versatile. That's why I use that. Going into a Korg tuner I had for ages. Then the second pedal in line is an Ibanez bass tube screamer I got years ago by accident. Saw it, thought, well, that's a great pedal to have, and bought it. And yeah, settings that work for this one song. It's actually on in just one song. And then we have the distortion pedal I got from Nico and the Sinister Blues, awesome guy. It's Fulltone Plimsoll replica-ish thingy. And it's just for one song, actually mimicking to be an electric guitar. So I play power chords on the bass in this part, putting that pedal and pretending to be an electric guitar rather than a bass. And then we have this the MXR EQ. That's as well for just one song, getting rid of all the high end, pretending to be very mumbly. Yeah, it's just for one song. And then in line we have the DBX 160A doing compression, and this is what's going to front of house. Everything else is for me personally as a monitor, because we not having a monitor system in for that production. It's a bit, yeah, it's low budget. It's a youth musical, you will see. And so yeah, we're not having monitors. We're getting we're listening to the PA and having to monitor ourselves. So this is why I have this cheap working Behringer bass amp. All the settings are just for me, so it works with this Harley Benton box I have for ages. Nothing major. As I say, it's just for me, for listening. We're keeping it really quiet. Where's the output? There's the output. Keeping it really quiet, and no post EQ DI, obviously, because it's noisy and stuff, but I don't care. And then for one song we have my trusty little Takamine acoustic guitar. I really like because the neck is really thin. Let me see. It's come on, now you can see for yourself what model it is. It's not the most expensive guitar on earth, but I liked it because of the really thin neck, and I'm playing it for one song as well. It's all just for one song. And last but not least, we have my Akai MPK 49 MIDI keyboard. I don't have a case for or a bag, so I have to carry it around really carefully, but that works. Controlling main stage with various synths like string, pizzicato strings, 2 bass synths, and Glockenspiel for one song. Running out of my trusty Focusrite interface, splitting via in the iBox, so I can have my feed through this Yamaha box, so I can listen to myself and get the rest from PA. And first time I'm using an iPad for the show, so yeah, looking forward to this. A lot of notes where I have to change pages. It's something new for me, but it will work out. And yes, I don't have an iPad stand because I can't be asked to buy an iPad stand for like 60 euro for just one show. So maybe I pick one up. Let's see. Just so you know what sort of musical production this is. The choir on stage, so the kids on stage, is a youth musical. All the kids are between 14 and roughly 18. There's one in it above 20, I guess, but they're all teens. So no one on stage is a professional. They are singing in a church-based choir where I actually started my music career. So the musical director, Melanie Jäger-Waldau, we go back 27 years now. We know each other 27 years because she knows me as a kid. And so everything on stage is not professional, but they are trained on a really, really high level. And it's really enjoyable because the musical level is really high, even though it's hobby, non-professional. Behind the scenes, that's a bit different. So the musical director and organizer Melanie Jäger-Waldau, she's the highest level you can be in church music. So she's one of the best organ players I know, a great conductor, choir conductor, awesome musical person. The director, she is professional as well. She does that for a living as well. But yeah, doing it for that one project with kids. The audio and the whole audio and light technique is he's a professional as well. Philip on drums is, I'd call, a semi-pro. He's not doing it for a living, but he's a great drummer on a high skill level, and me doing it professional. I think the choreo she's professional as well, as far as I know. But everything on stage, all the artists, they are teens and obviously not professionals. It's Friday today and I'm walking around my lovely hometown. Beautiful, isn't it? And I'm waiting for the first show tonight. I have a little clip of a rehearsal of me, and I hope you get an idea what we're doing. So here we go.
Anbinden? Was für ein seltsamer Gedanke.
Naja, wenn du es nicht anbindest, läuft es davon und verirrt sich.
yeah, to give you an idea of how this works, we met on Sunday for a band rehearsal. Just the three of us in the band, Melanie on keys, Philip on drums, and myself. And we went through all the songs, and because I played more instruments than I usually do, we talked about how we arranged the songs and whatnot. And then the band had 2 days off, and on Wednesday we had the first rehearsal with the kids. And then one more yesterday on Thursday. Sorry. It's a bit cold. I'm really cold. And then we have the first show tonight. And something I really enjoy about the team we have there is that trust in everyone. So on Wednesday, on that rehearsal, everything was really stoppy, and the audio needed to be set, and cues that need to be programmed, and we need to figure stuff out, and it all takes a whole lot of time. But and yeah, you play wrong notes all the time, but everyone knows that's fine, because we will make it happen today on the first show, and then tomorrow and on Sunday. So there's a lot of trust inside the team. This is something I really enjoy.
Ich kann. Ich habe schon verstanden.
So just one last thing before I head home to my sister's place where it's warm. It's really cold. I'm really cold. I enjoy this sort of jobs immensely because yes, I need to concentrate a whole lot. It's 2 hours of proper work, I'd say, because I have to be on edge, and because we're a 3-piece band, no one can hide. You hear everything, and I know that there are a lot of musicians in my home place here, and a lot of people hear this would hear a wrong note, and they will not comment. But that's not my standard. My standard is to play 100%. I try to reach 95, but my aim is to play on 100% right. But the good thing is I have sheets in front of me. I have a clear structure. I know what's happening when and why and what. So there's no improvising involved. So nothing is about how I feel today. That doesn't matter. I could be hungover massively. The only thing that would impact is my concentration, which I would lack then, so I try to be as fit as possible. But it doesn't matter if I had a bad phone call before or something, because it's just following the protocols and playing the sheets that are in front of me. So yeah, it's that easy, but it's not, because it needs to be concentrated, and that's the exact balance I really like. So I really like this sort of jobs. So now there's some footage, if I can get the rights. If not, we will now cut to me driving home. If not, there will be a bit of musical playing in the back now, and yeah.
Zunächst werde ich ein guter Freund von dir. Morgen kommt noch näher, fürchte dich nicht. Übermorgen rückt ganz nah, sitzt bei mir ganz dicht. Jeder schlaue Fuchs weiß, echte Freunde sind wahr. Aber man sieht nur mit dem Herzen gut, das ist doch sonnenklar. Die Schönheit liegt in den kleinen Dingen, doch das Wesentliche ist für die Augen unsichtbar.
I hope you liked my little insight on this 1 week away from the studio. I really enjoyed these jobs. Really like that, being away but doing music in a different way. It's awesome. I really like it, and I like the people to work with. Do this for 20 years now, every 2 years for 20 years. That's quite an achievement. Yeah, hope you liked it. If so, thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.